Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. You will agree with me that not having the proper utensils in your kitchen can make cooking and baking so hard. This kitchen utensil set in khaki color is beautiful. I love the fact that it has 35 pieces and they're all very unique with that sturdy wooden polished handle. They look very high quality and I love the fact that they're silicone. This really meets any cooking or baking need. I use this every day when I make breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I love the fact that it's not going to scratch my pan or that it's not going to damage my nonstick items as well. This has been working wonderful. It can be used for any kind of food, and I really love them when I make my salads. Even though sometimes I use like beets, it's not going to stain this beautiful set of utensils. There's no need to spend a bunch of money buying each piece of utensil when you can literally get everything here you need for cooking and baking with these beautiful khaki color that are in 35 pieces, fulfilling all of your needs. If you want to enjoy your cooking and baking, then you definitely need one of these, and that is my point of view.